Hello guys, review smartphone Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Start unpacking. Open box, look completion. In completion we have device in the orchid gray color. Okay. Next, key for SIM slot and quick guide. And this adapter USB for USB Type-C, adapter micro USB for USB Type-C, adapter for charging with quick charge, headphones, and USB Type-C cable. Okay, good completion. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of glass and metal. On the back side we have double camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side 6.3-inch display, front camera, talk speaker, sensors and LED indicator. On the left side warm case and key for voice assistant. On the right side power key, upside headphones jack, this slot for SIM card. This cabinet slot we can use 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM and micro SD card for memory. On the downside headphones jack, USB Type-C port, microphone, speaker and stylus. Okay, turn on device, Super AMOLED display, look settings, about phone, version Android 8.0.0, version Samsung Experience 9.0, version Knox 3.1. Close this. Open Geekbench and talk about CPU. CPU Samsung Exynos 8895. This is octa-core processor. First 4-cores work 1.7 GHz, second 4-cores work 2.3 GHz, powerful cores. GPU Mali G71. RAM memory 6GB, Intel memory 64GB. Look history. This is CPU test results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Close this. Open next test, Antutu benchmark, Antutu score, ranking. Our device on 31 place. Okay, test functions, multi-touch test, device support 10 touches. Okay, very good. Close this and open demanded game GTA San Andreas. Offline. And run GTA San Andreas on max graphic level, default level medium. Okay, start game. Okay, game load, walk with little legs on the max graphic level. Sometimes legs, sometimes walks good. Okay, turn on graphic, default level. Resume game. On this graphic level game works perfect, very smoothly, without lags and glitches. Okay. course, Guitar San Andreas, talk about camera. Main camera, double camera, 12 plus 12 megapixels, front camera 8 megapixels, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.